Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing the stocks and Nifty analysis for tomorrow's trading session. So let us start with Nifty. This is the 15-minute chart for Nifty futures, and as you can see we have already marked the projections which we are expecting to be completed in the upside direction. So this is the projection which I was thinking that this would be completed, or maybe we will be getting into vicinity of this area. Previous high, as you can see it here, is somewhere around 18,006 or 18,007, and today we touched the high of 18,020, roughly 18,020 on future chart, and the area we are expecting is somewhere around 18,080. So we have almost reached the one-to-one target of this large swing high, this major swing. So as you can see from this point, the upside has been divided into multiple swings. We keep on measuring the swings, like this swing was a significant one. It has one to one somewhere around here, and if we measure this swing and project here, this is exactly the swing which we are currently having here. But we can see as it reached the area over here, this area, the price is started to struggle. You see, this is somewhere approximately the area which we expected that it should be visited by the buyers. So what we see that all the short SLs were here. The stop losses were somewhere around here, maybe here, maybe here, here. So these stop losses have been consumed, meaning the stop losses might have been triggered once the price was reaching here, and the liquidity has been swept. You see, the liquidity has been swept here. The price by smart money was, you know, intentionally pushed here into this area. People who shorted some time back might have been scrapped here. So as you can see, after sweeping this is stop losses, this down move was very swift. So what we can expect from here? Well, if we go into the analysis of today's price action, I did not have any trade here. You see, when okay, as you can see, I talked in the previous session that the price here was in very sweet spot and exactly behaved in the same manner. The price here was in sweet spot and it started to rally upside, but still I did not have any position here. Analysis is a different thing, and having a position into that analysis is different thing. I did not have any overnight position here, and yeah, once it opened, it just ran up. So there was no point entering anywhere in between. So I was just sitting, just hoping that it will give some area to get into trade. But once I saw this very choppy action, I had this feeling that this is how anyhow going to fail from somewhere around this area. So when it started failing, then I did not have any setup to trade in. So there was no trade today. Going tomorrow, but we can expect, as you can see, this low has been already broken. So if it gives some retracement like this, then we'll be just waiting for this thing. Once it gets aligned to this major swing low, we'll be entering a short position. Getting my point? So you need to wait patiently, be it intraday trading or be it long-term trading, until your setup and your rules are not visible through the price section on the chart. You do not initiate your trade, long or short, maybe. So this is our thesis for tomorrow. We will be looking for a short trade, and if by chance it opens gap up, then again we will be looking for some small swing, which will be having some quite good retracement for entering. Otherwise, the bias looks for downside, and maybe we will be opening trade after this retracement. So let's see what is given in the tomorrow trading session. Now let's look at these stocks which are having potential for tomorrow. This is RBL Bank. As you can see, I have considered this swing high. and sorry, we'll be opening the long position, or one can look for a long position in the area of 126.35, keeping the stop loss just below this 125.2, and target will be 131, somewhere around this area. Another stock is Naukri. Okay, I have already shared this analysis uh, previously as this, but it did not behave the way we thought because there was no retracement. So as it has started the retracement here, we expect if it comes into area of 40 to 38 or 40 to 42, then maybe we will be looking for entry after having the slow momentum of downswings. Our stop loss will be just below this 4200, because as you can see there is a small swing here. So we'll be, instead of placing here, or if the price is doing like this and we get a small new structure high here, maybe we can put a aggressive stop loss as well. So our SL will be somewhere around 4200 with a target of 4395. Next one is ICICI Life Prudential, and as it has already started giving retracement, maybe we can open around 587 with a stop loss just below 582.4, and 599 will be our target. The next one is IRCTC. As you can see, it has already made a new high here around 725. So we are waiting for a pullback around 750. So once it gives, you see, this is a nice buy zone. So once it comes into 715 area, the stop loss can be placed around 710 with a target of 729. All right. So these are the four stocks which we still expect can give a good buy entry. We are still not looking for aggressive sell entries or short uh, candidates because Nifty still has this strength. Unless Nifty or overall market is not giving a big divergence to the downside, we are not looking for a short trade aggressively. All right. So this is it for the current video. If you like the content, please do like it, share it with your friends and family so that it can reach maximum participation. And if you have any query or suggestion, feedback, please do post in the comment section and I will reply it back. Till then, thank you and happy trading.